Diesel Breather Nation, it's Cody Steele from Motormouth Entertainment. So good to be back. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you filled your tummies full. You guys, it's a bit cold here in Minnesota tonight. It's running about 27 degrees, a little bit windy. We got snowfall on the ground. My Chevrolet brakes are a little spongy, so I've been freaking sliding all over the place. Got wood in the back for traction, but we're not going to get into too much of it. We're going to start it off right, and we're going to do a cold start Duramax. Being that we got 4 inches on the ground, we didn't plug that truck in, so we're going to do a 2007 Chevrolet 2500 HD, fully deleted, fully studded, straight pipe out the back, tinted windows in the front, 5-star lights on top. My name is Cody Steele, 26 years old, set a mission out to conquer YouTube. We're getting closer. You guys are helping me. 14,000 subscribers, going for 20,000 by the end of next year. So please keep liking, please keep subscribing to Cody Steele. Look me up at Facebook for bookings, you guys. We do comedy, live show, hour shows. Facebook Motormouth Entertainment, #comedian. Thank you so much, you guys, for sticking with me through that rough patch. I love you guys, and good night.